Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a simple vermicelli pudding. This recipe doesn't need any cream or condensed milk and you don't have to bake it. Add some ghee in a pan, about 1 teaspoon, and if you don't have ghee you can use butter. To this add 10 to 15 cashews. Let us fry the cashews in the ghee. After frying the cashews for a few minutes, add 1 cup of vermicelli, that is Semiya. Fry this well in a low to medium flame and the color has to change into a golden brown. This is perfect. Now let us take some of the Semiya and set this aside for garnishing. So to the rest I am going to add some sugar, about 1/4 cups of sugar. Now let us add the rest of the ingredients, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1.5 cups of boiled milk. Now let us allow the Semiya to cook in this milk until it is thick. So first let us cover it and cook for a few minutes. The Semiya is almost cooked here. Stir this continuously. Nothing should sit at the bottom of the pan. This is almost ready. It is thick. This is ready. I am going to shift this into a greased bowl. I am greasing this bowl with ghee. And this is our prepared Semiya. Spread this evenly, let it cool down for a while, and by that time let us prepare our custard. Take 1.5 tablespoons of custard powder. To this add enough water and make it runny. It has to be runny like this, and next we are going to heat some milk, around 1 cup of milk. To this add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now let the sugar dissolve completely in the milk. When it is about to boil, add the custard mix. Keep on stirring, this will get thick so fast. This is perfect. At this stage you can add some fruits. I am going to add half a cup of mangoes. We can switch off the flame. We doesn't want the mangoes to get cooked here. Now let us pour it over the Semiya. After allowing it to cool completely, refrigerate this for around 2 to 3 hours. This is after 2 hours and it is perfectly set. I am going to top it with some tutti frutti and the fried Semiya. Serve it chill and it will be so good when it is served chill. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.